Mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Raphael Tuju ateterithitie kiama kia Jubilee gitigwitikira ateti amwe guthukiria kiama kiu ritwa na ati ateti aria mekunyitikana na mahitia mahota kuhingiririo nja wa mutaratara wa wamurani.
Oh, the consequences are very dire. I mean, if somebody is found to be doing the right thing, if the disciplinary committee disqualifies you, then the only appeal you can have is with the party leader or the deputy party leader.
Tuju augete uthuthuria no urathie na mbere niguo kumenya aria makuruhanitio na ngahiha icio iria ciaumiririe kaunti-ini citiganite hindi ya gwetha amemba a bodi cia kurugamirira ithurano cia wamurani thiini wa Jubilee.
We are very concerned about issues of discipline because we know that if indiscipline continues, then we will not be able to run fair and free nomination.
I totally agree. Any person bringing issues in terms of fighting and causing chaos within the Jubilee Party, action must be taken. But it must be justifiable so that again we don't go to witch hunting.
No ona kuri uguo Tuju augite kamiti ya mitugo thiini wa kiama kia Jubilee niwe iratereba uthuthuria ucio no akaregana na muhuhu ati kuri na ateti metitwo mbere ya kamiti iyo gwitetera gukinyagia riu.
We have not come up with a list of people who will face the committee. It is up to the disciplinary committee based on the reports that they have to choose who they summon and who they don't summon.
If there are any summons, I will be glad. I have not been summoned by anyone. If there are summons, I'll be glad to attend to those summons. The only thing I will request is to have the allegations, stipulated clearly in that summon, if there are.
Maya marathie na mbere o riri mutaratara wa gwetha arugamiriri a bodi ya ithurano cia kiama kia Jubilee kaunti-ini ya Murang'a utanyitwo gugacokerwo muthenya wa rucio. O ni thutha wa mutaratara ucio gutharara muthenya wa Jumamothi riria arumiriri a ateti matiganite mokaniriire.
Njoke njire atongoria Murang'a ni muratuconorire muno makiria. Muratuconora ni guthie kurehe bara na ngui thiini wa ithurano icio.
Nacio mareci ati no macokie bara na maita thakame thiini wa kaunti ya Murang'a. Merwo kwina watho na no githurano me thiini. Yahota guthurano me thiini to gutigwitikirio tugie na bara.
Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.